Hi guys, it's Fran. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, right now I'm going to be doing a cooking with me video. We're making noodles. So, I've already kind of spiced these up. My water is boiling right now. I'll show you guys. My water is boiling right now. But yeah, so I'm just going to be talking about the wedding. And yeah, so this is kind of like a cooking with me and a mukbang and talking about the wedding. So yeah, okay. So first we need to get. Oh, also I'm not editing anything out of this video, so yeah. Alright guys, let's get started. Okay, so first off, I just want to say that I'm so sorry that I did not vlog. Or, yeah, I did not vlog. I did just a montage. And, yeah, so if you guys want an actual vlog, I'm sorry you did not get one. But, yeah, so I didn't get to vlog the ceremony. Oh, I didn't get to do a montage of the ceremony. Because I was crying way too much. Right when she came out down the aisle, like when her music turned on, my eyes were bawling like. And I couldn't set up, oh my god, that's hot. And I couldn't set up the camera because I already had my dress on. I already had my dress on and I didn't want nobody to see my dress. So yeah, follow me. This is a special moment. So follow me on my Snapchat, Instagram, and Musically for pictures and videos. Because there's a bunch of pictures on my Instagram. There's not a lot of Musicallys, but there's some Musicallys on my TikTok. And then what else is there? Oh, there's some Snapchat videos too, but not about the wedding, I don't think. Yeah, so. Also, I have pants on, guys. Yeah. So, today we're not doing anything much. We just got done cleaning up yeah. So then, what's happening? I am going to decorate my room. I'm going to rearrange my room, and I need to get my desk set up for middle school. So yeah, I might not do all of those things today. I don't know, I might. I'm probably not because it's already 2:30. So yeah, but this week I'm going school clothes shopping and school supplies shopping. But yeah. So guys, I don't know, really. I feel like I did a bad job of vlogging. When I say. Also guys, do you like my nails? I didn't really show it to you guys. I like my nails, so I got them on frick. I have you guys on this on my coffee pot. There we go. It's good. Thank you. Someone's coming. Okay, no one's coming. I thought someone was coming and I don't want to vlog in front of them. Because that's nerve-wracking. So yeah guys. So this week I'm going to school supply shopping. I can't freaking talk. But yeah, I can't. Let's go supply shopping not this Sunday, but next Sunday. My mom and dad are going on their honeymoon. Tuesday I start school. I don't know if I'm going to vlog on Tuesday, but yeah. Yeah. So yeah, I start school August 28th. I'm not ready. It's my first day of damn middle school. I'm hella nervous. I don't know when to tell if your noodles are done. See, like, oh, look. Are they done? I don't know if they're done. I'll give them another minute or two. Because I have to talk to you guys more. But yeah. So, this is just going to be a cooking with me video. I just need to relax from vlogging. I'm not going to do vlog Ember, vlogust, vlog Obember, vlogmas. I'm just kidding. I'm going to probably do vlog Ober, or vlogtober, and vlogmas. And then I don't know what schedule I'm going to do. I am going to post videos, but when I do my vlogtober and my vlogmas, it's going to be on my vlog channel. So I'm going to take a break from this channel. I'm going to post every week one time, because I vlog every day in the summer, and I feel like you guys just need a break from me. You need to catch up on vlogs. So I'm only posting one video a week for you guys, and it might even be a vlog. Like, might take you guys to school with me. But yeah, so I'm gonna vlog on my vlog channel. I'm probably gonna turn my baking channel into like a family channel, like vlogs with my family. So yeah, but I need to take these noodles off because I don't want to burn them, and I don't know how long I need to put these damn things on there for. So yeah. Better. Okay, so got that. Huh? No, it's broke. I thought so. Yeah, Junior, no. Junior, oh my god. Okay, so my brother and my cousin are over here. I'll show you guys. They're right there. Oh my god. I'm sorry, this freaking camera is not stable. Or I call it my camera, but it's my phone. Oh my god. I really don't like cussing on my videos because I can't edit them out. Cause when I use I can't edit anything out, so I can edit stuff out, but not like words. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna get a bowl. Oh, use this cute bowl. Oh hell no. So yeah. Oh. Shit. Okay. So I got my bowl. This looks good. This is real good. But I want some cheese. I've been craving cheese. I want some cheese. No, I freaking grate some shit. I freaking grate cheese. I don't want to. But I'll do it because I do want cheese. So I'm going to let this... Oh my freaking god. I'm going to let this sit and cool down. Right there. Sorry, my kitchen is a little messy. We're not all the way done cleaning, but we're halfway done. Okay, so make sure my parents are coming. Okay, so I don't know if you guys. Who is calling me? Oh, my mom's calling me. I'll be right back. Alright, my mom's calling me and I had to answer because I didn't want to not answer. We don't have regular freaking salaries. We have freaking one, but it has shit in it. Okay, so here is what I'm gonna use to grate this dang cheese. Oh, it's cold. How do you freaking open this? What the hell? How the hell do you open this? You mother... They're damn slices. And not good ones. No. I'm just gonna stick with my needles. That is rough. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna let you guys go because I still got a bunch of stuff that I have to do. And yeah, but guys, I love you guys. Here, let me put some damn things down. Let me get a bigger cup. Alright, y'all, so I love you guys so much. I love you guys to the moon and back. Thank you for everything that you have done for me. I wouldn't be in this situation if it wasn't for you guys. But I love you all so much, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Oh, shit. That's hot. Which, I don't know what tomorrow's video is going to be. But, yeah. But, I know that this smells good, but it's hella hot. Damn it. But it's hot. So. Yeah. Alright guys, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.